Hey there, PowerPoint wizards and accidental slide warriors. Today I'm going to show you how to save your PowerPoint as a reusable template. Whether you're making the perfect business pitch deck or just want to stop copying and pasting slides like a caveman, this is the guide for you. And yes, I'll even throw in some tips to save you from template disasters. You're welcome. Let's get started. First things first, open the PowerPoint you want to turn into a template. Now, here's the deal. Before we save it, you've got to make sure everything is in order. Head to the View tab and click on Slide Master. Think of this as the backstage area where all the magic happens. Check your layouts, fonts, and placeholders. Once you've made sure it's all looking sharp, we're ready to save this masterpiece. Okay, now for the fun part. Go to File, select Save As, and click this PC. Give your template a name, something professional like Company Template. Under Save As type, select PowerPoint Template.poutx. This is the magic file type that transforms your regular PowerPoint into a reusable template. But wait, did you notice the save location suddenly changed? So let's just leave the default location as it is. Hit Save. We have now two formats, one as the usual PowerPoint, while the other as a reusable template in any presentation by simply few clicks to allocate the template. So, if at all you accidentally misplaced or permanently deleted the PowerPoint presentation that you have used to save as a template, and you want to use the template, this is how get the template. Open PowerPoint and create a new presentation. Surprise, it's all boring, default layouts. No sign of your masterpiece, but that's not what we want. So how do we get the template layouts that we want instead of this one? Here's how to find it. Head to File again, this time we'll hover to New. And there it is, or you can still go to Home and get it there. But what if you don't get it there? Well, we'll again go to New. Head to Custom, then click on PowerPoint Templates. This is where all your saved templates are saved. And there it is, your beautiful template, ready to shine. Click it, and voila, all your custom layouts appear like magic. Feel free to pick a layout and start tweaking it. Oh, and pro tip, this creates a new presentation separate from your template. Don't forget to save the new file somewhere you can actually find it. Now, what if you messed up and saved your template in the wrong place? Will it work? Absolutely not. But for now, it is what it is, but don't panic. I got you. Open any PowerPoint file. Go to File. Head to Save As and select PowerPoint Template as the file type. But instead of saving, copy the default location PowerPoint suggests. And then close the folder. Next, open your File Explorer or a new tab in the folder. Paste the location into the address bar and hit Enter. If it fails, try copying again or enable your clipboard to get what you copied. This is the secret hideout where templates live. Head back to the folder, or the tab has your PowerPoint template. Cut or copy and paste to the tab that has the location for the templates or the folder. Give it a name that you will easily remember, and you're back in business. By the way, it is a long way to locate the template, which is of a great advantage to avoid coworkers or anyone from deleting the template. Now you can test it the same way as before. File, New, custom PowerPoint templates. And just like that, your template is officially part of the club. Let's talk about fonts. PowerPoint's default font is Calibri. It's fine, it's safe. But does it spark joy? Probably not. Here's how to change it. Go to Slide Master View. Click Fonts and then Customize Fonts. Choose your favorite heading and body fonts. Save it, and now your template will always use those fonts. You can also customize theme colors. Click Colors in the Slide Master ribbon. Pick a palette that screams, "I know what I'm doing," and save it. With these tweaks, your templates will look polished and professional, or at least like you didn't make them 5 minutes before the meeting. And there you have it. You're now the proud owner of a reusable, professional, and maybe even slightly fun PowerPoint template. Save yourself from endless slide formatting and use your new skills to impress your boss, clients, or even your cat. Hey, no judgment. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs a template intervention, and let me know in the comments if you've got your own tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.